What is up, internet? Welcome back to Zander's Builds. Today's video we are going to be building a wood splitter. Please enjoy. Okay, so I've got a few pieces of scrap here that I'm going to be using to build this thing. Just some thick plates, whatever I could find. I'm going to be using this to make a blade. Some nice thick flat bar I've got. And then for the feet, I'm just going to be using some angle. And then the legs and the basket's just going to be some round bar. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do after I've cut some lengths is I'm going to take my piece of plate or flat bar and I'm going to bevel it on one side like this to have a sharp edge. Just use an abrasive disc for that. Works real easy, quick and easy. That's enough to split your wood. Okay, next up I'm going to start tacking up everything. I'm going to start with the blade to the legs. So I've set it about just above halfway, just so you have enough space below your blade for the wood to actually split in half. Okay, now that I've tacked that up, next up I'm going to make the cross members for between the legs that are going to sit here out of some flat bar. Now I tack this up first so I can measure how far apart it needs to be. Perfect. Okay guys, now for the fun part. I'm going to be bending some round bar with this bender that I made a while back. Very simple. I just made it out of stuff that was laying around for bending hairpin legs for side tables, but any round bar works fine. So I would have preferred to use thicker round bar in this case, especially for the legs, but 10mm is all I had. So I'm just going to be making 90-degree bends. So I'm going to take a measurement on the top here, see how wide it is, and then I'm going to take these two of the sides I left a little bit longer so I can still adjust it. This side is already about the right size. Now this side I can just pull it in until it's where it needs to be, then I can tack it in place. Put on some thick ass gloves. I am the one and only. Now to just weld up the whole thing. Okay, now it's time for the fun welds. These big ones. So this is 10 mil, that's 10 mil. So I'm going to be using a thicker rod and I'm going to be setting it up to at least 100 amps for these welds. There we go. Look at that. Okay, that's it. Let's go test this baby out. That's it guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll be releasing free plans for this thing down in the description below if you'd like to build one yourself. If I could do this any other way, I would make these thicker, but this is all I had, so yeah, that's it. Maybe even put a gusset or two in. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.